Exercise 6.4. Question number 1 is using differentials find the approximate value each of the following up to 3 places of decimals. Okay, 25.3 root 25.3 from 1 to 15 under root 25.3. Suppose this is a y equal to रूट एक्स. इसको हम मानते हैं y इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट एक्स, एक्स इक्वल टू 25.3. लेट x इक्वल टू 25 एंड डेल x इक्वल टू 0.3. x प्लस डेल x 25 प्लस 0.3. ओके, तो नाउ डेल y इक्वल टू, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, डेल y इक्वल टू x प्लस डेल x minus under root x. Okay, so it is equal to the x plus del x equal to 25.3 minus x equal to 25. Okay, and it is equal to the under root 25.3 minus 5. Okay, so we can write it del y under root 25.3 equal to del y plus 5. Okay, now del y equal to, del y and dy also equal to each other. Dy equal to dy over dx into del x. So dy over dx, it is equal to root x. The differentiation of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x into del x. Just put the values of x and del x. 1 by 2 root 25 and del x is 0.3. Okay, so now 2 into 5 10, 0.3 divided by 10, it is equal to the 0.03. dy equal to 0.03. now value of y equal to del y plus 5 root 25.3 equal to 5 plus 0.03. It is equal to the 5.03. The approximation value of 25.3 under root equal to 5.03. Second question, same question, under root 49.5. y equal to root x. Let x equal to 49 and del x equal to 0.5. Okay, so now del y equal to under root x plus del x minus root x. It is equal to the under root 49.5 minus root 49. It is equal to the under root 49.5 minus 7. So we can write 49.5, root 49.5 equal to del y plus 7. Okay, now del y equal to same dy over dx into del x. dy over dx of under root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Differentiation of root x equal to 1 upon 2 root x into del x. Put the value 1 upon 2 under root 49 and del x equal to 0.5. It is the del x 0.5. 2 into 7 14. 0.5 by 14. It is equal to the 0.035. Now the value of under root 49.5, it is equal to the del y plus 7. It is equal to the 7 plus 0.035 equal to 7.035. Okay. Third question, under root 0.6. Take y equal to root x. Okay, In this question, we take x equal to 0.64 and del x equal to 0.04. Okay. So now del y equal to root x plus del x minus root x. Okay. So del y equal to under root x plus here 0.06, 0.64 minus this, and under root 0.64. It is equal to the 0.8. The under root 0.6 equal to del y plus 0.8. Okay. Now find the value of this. Del y equal to 1 upon dy over dx into root x. Okay. It is equal to the, del x is minus 0.4. Okay. So dy over dx equal to 1 upon 2 root x and del x equal to minus 0.04. It is equal to the 1 upon 2 under root 0.64 into 0.4 minus. It is equal to the 1 by 2 into 0.8 into minus 0.04. Decimal cut 4 to 20, 1 upon 40. 1 upon 40 equal to 0.25 minus 0.025. Then 0.6 equal to del y is 0.8 minus 0.025. It is equal to the 0.775. Okay, 0.775. 0.009 whole cube 1 by 3 power. Let y equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. Now x equal to 0.009, it means x equal to 0.008 and del x equal to 0.0001. 0.001. X plus del x equal to 0.009. Okay. Now del y equal to x plus del x raised to power whole cube minus x to the power 1 by 3. Okay. So it is equal to the 0.009 raised to power 1 by 3 and it is equal to 0.008 raised to power 1 by 3. It is equal to the 0.2. 0.009 by 3 minus 0.2 del y. So we can say that 0.009 raised to power 1 by 3 equal to del y plus 0.2. Okay. Now del y equal to dy over dx into delta x. dy dx means x raised to power 1 by 3 into del x. It is equal to the 1 by 3 is to 1 minus 1. It means 1 upon x raised to power 2 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 it is into del x. Now put the value of x and del x. 1 by 3, x is 0.008 raised to power 2 by 3 and del x is equal to 0.2. Okay. Sorry, del x equal to 0.001. Okay. Now solve 1 by 3. It is equal to the 0.2 whole cube raised to power 2 by 3. 0, 0, 1. 3 cancel. 1 upon 3 into 0.04 into, write here 0, 0, 1. Now eliminate the decimal. 3 place, here is a 2. It means 1 upon 4 3 12, 120. 1 upon 120 equal to 0.0083. Now value of this 0.009 raised to power 1 by 3 equal to del y plus 0.2. Okay, it means 0.2 plus 0.0083. It is equal to the 0.2083. Okay. Next, fourth one. 0.999 raised to power 1 by 10. Y equal to x raised to power 1 by 10. Let x equal to 1 and del x equal to 0.001. 1 minus 0.001 equal to this. Okay. Now solve. It is equal to the del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 10 minus x raised to power 1 by 10. It is equal to the x plus del x means 0.999 raised to power 1 by 10 minus x equal to 1, 1 raised to power 1 by 10, it is equal to the 1. It means 0.999, it is minus, take it minus, raised to power 1 by 10 equal to 1 plus del y. Okay, now find del y. Del y equal to the, in the each question it is remains the same, formula is the same. Now dy over dx of x is 1 by 10. So we can write 1 upon 10. X raised to power 1 by 10 minus 1. It is minus 9 by 10 and 9 by 10 into del x. So we can write 1 upon 10. X equal to 1. 1 raised to power 9 by 10 into minus 0.001. The answer is 10 divided minus 0.0001. It is equal to the del y. Now value of this is equal to, from right here, 0.999 raised to power 1 by 10 equal to 1 minus 0.0001. It is equal to the 0.999. Okay. Now fifth, 15 raised to power 1 by 4. Okay. Y equal to x raised to power 1 by 4. Let x equal to 16 and del x equal to 1. 16 minus 1, it is equal to the 15 x raised to power 1 by 4. Okay. So now del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 4 minus x raised to power 1 by 4. Okay. It is equal to the 16 minus 1 raised to power 1 by 4 minus 16 raised to power 1 by 4. It is equal to the 15 raised to power 1 by 4 minus 2. Okay. So 15 raised to power 1 by 4 equal to 2 plus del y. Okay. Now find del y, dy over dx into del x. अब dy over dx 1/4. The differentiation of x raised to power 1/4 is 1/4 x raised to power 1/4 minus 1. It means minus 3/4. So downward reciprocal into del x. 1/4 x equal to 16. 16 raised to power 3/4 into del x equal to 1. 1 upon 16 raised to power 8. It is equal to the 4 into 8. 1 upon 32. Now divide up to 2 decimal place. 1 upon 32 equal to minus 1. It is same minus 1. Take it minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 upon 32 equal to minus. Divide by, you can take by calculator or by the this. Yeah, directly you can take minus 1/2. Now find 15 raised to power 1/4. 2 plus, it means 2 plus minus 1/32. It is 64 minus 1/32. It is equal to the 63/32. Convert in the decimal. Divide 1.96875. टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल रहेगा तो पूरा टर्मिनेट हो गया. तो वैल्यू इज 1.96875. 26 raised to power 1/3. Take y equal to x raised to power 1/3 and let x equal to 27 and del x equal to minus 1. 27 minus 1 is 26. Del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1/3 minus x raised to power 1/3. X means 27 minus 1 raised to power 1/3 minus 27 raised to power 1/3. It is equal to the 26 raised to power 1/3 minus 3. It means 26 raised to power 1/3 equal to 3 plus del y. Now find the value of del y. Dy over dx of del x. It is equal to the 1 upon 3 x raised to power 2/3 into del x. Minus 3 divided by 3 into 27 raised to power 2/3. It is equal to the 3 cube cancel. 3 is 9. Cancel. It is equal to the minus 1 upon 9. Okay. Equal to minus 1 upon 9. 9 into 3, 27. X equal to minus 1. Del x equal to minus 1, not the 3. It is equal to the minus 1 upon 27. Del x minus 1. 3 9 होगा, 9 3 जा 27. Now 26 raised to power 1/3 equal to 3 plus minus 1/27. It is 27 3 ja 81 minus 1 80/27. 80/27 divide by this 18 3 ja 2.9629. Okay. Next is 255 raised to power 1/4. Take y equal to x raised to power 1/4. Let x equal to 256 and del x equal to minus 1. 256 minus 1 is 255. Okay. Then del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1/4 minus x raised to power 1/4. Put values. 256 minus 1 raised to power 1/4 minus 256 raised to power 1 by 4. It is equal to the 255 raised to power 1 by 4 minus 4. The value of 256 raised to power 1 by 4 means 4. The value of 255 raised to power 1 by 4 equal to 4 plus del y. Now find del y. dy over dx into del x. dy over dx is equal to 1 by 4 x raised to power 3 by 4. जब डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे x की पावर 1 by 4 को तो यही आएगा और मल्टीप्लाइड बाई डेल एक्स. इस बार कोई गलती नहीं. डेल एक्स इक्वल टू -1. 4 x इक्वल टू 256 raised to power 3 by 4. It is equal to the -1. See, it is equal to the 4 raised to power 4 into 3 by 4. Cancel. 64. It is equal to -1 upon 256. Okay. Now 255 raised to power 1 by 4 equal to 4 minus 1 upon 256. Now solve. Multiplied by 256 into 4 minus 1. It is equal to 1024 minus 1 upon 256. It is 1023 by 256. Divide and you will get 3.9961. Okay. नेक्स्ट 82 रेस्ट पावर 1 by 4. तो यहाँ पर वही कर लेंगे. y इक्वल टू एक्स रेस्ट पावर 1 by 4 वेयर लेट x इक्वल टू 81 एंड डेल x इक्वल टू 1. 81 प्लस 1 82. ओके. तो dy डेल y इक्वल टू x प्लस डेल x रेस्ट पावर 1 by 4 माइनस x raised to power 1 by 4. It is 81 plus 1 raised to power 1 by 4 minus 81 raised to power 1 by 4. It is 82 raised to power 1 by 4 minus 3. Okay. 81 raised to power 1 by 4, 3 की power 4. It means 82 raised to power 1 by 4 is equal to del y plus 3. Now del y, the same question. It is equal to the 1 by 4 x raised to power 3 by 4 into del x. Here del x equal to 1 by 4 and 81 raised to power 3 by 4. It is equal to 3 raised to power 4 cancel. 327. 27 into 4. 1 upon 4 into 27. It means 108. 1 upon 108. Now 82 raised to power 1 by 4 equal to del y plus 3. 1 upon 108 plus 3. It is equal to 325 by 108. And divide, we get 3.0092. This is the value of 82 raised to power 1 by 4. Question number 10. 10th is 401 raised to power 1 by 2. So y equal to x raised to power 1 by 2. Let, अब इसमें हम लोग ऐसा नंबर लेंगे 400 plus 1. It means x equal to 400 and del x equal to 1. A small number, add to this. Now del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 2 minus x raised to power 1 by 2. It is equal to the 400 plus 1 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 400 raised to power 1 by 2. it is equal to the 20. Okay, it is 401 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 20. It means 401 raised to power 1 by 2 equal to del y plus 20. Find del y. Del y equal to dy over dx into del x. It means x raised to power 1 by 2. The differentiation of x raised to 1 by 2 is 1 upon 1 by 2 into del x. It is equal to the 1 upon 2 and 400 raised to power 1 by 2, it is 20 and del x equal to 1. Okay, so 1 by 40. It is equal to the 1 by 40. 20 into 2, 40. Now 401 raised to power 1 by 2 equal to del y plus 20 means 20 plus 1 upon 40. It is 801 upon 40. It is equal to the 20.00 20.025. 20.025. Okay. The next is 0.0037 raised to power 1 by 2. Okay. So y equal to square root of x. Let x equal to 0.0036. क्योंकि हम लोग इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल सकते हैं, इसलिए इसीलिए x ऐसा लेते हैं जिसकी हम वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकें. और डेल x हो जाएगा, इसमें जोड़ेंगे 0.0001. ओके, 0001. नाउ डेल y इक्वल टू x प्लस डेल x रेज टू पावर 1 by 2 माइनस x रेज टू पावर 1 by 2. डेल y x प्लस मीन्स 0.0036 प्लस 0.0001 रेज टू पावर 1 by 2 माइनस 0.0036 रेज टू पावर 1 by 2. ओके, इट इज इक्वल टू द 0.0037 रेज टू पावर 1 by 2 जो हमको चाहिए, और यह हो जाएगा आपका 0.0036 माइनस 0.06. अब इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है तो इसको इधर लाएंगे. ये इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 0.06 प्लस डेल y. अब डेल y की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला है dy ओवर dx ऑफ डेल x. ओके, तो dy ओवर dx मीन्स 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स. इट इज इक्वल टू द 1 by 2 रूट एक्स इंटू डेल एक्स. जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 0.0036 and del y is 0.0001. It is equal to the 0.0001 by 2 into 0.06. Now डेसिमल अप टू 600. डेसिमल हटाएंगे, यहाँ 4 के बाद है, यहाँ 2 के, तो 2 जीरो यहाँ बढ़ेगा, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन 1200. Okay, now you can solve by the calculator. It is equal to the 0.000833. Okay, 0.000833. Now add. Now the value of this 0.0037 raised to power 1 by 2 equal to 0.06 plus 0.000833. It is equal to the 0.060833. Okay. Next, 12th is 26.57 raised to power 1 by 3. So y equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3. Let x equal to 27, because we can find the cube root of 27, and del x इट मीन्स 27 माइनस कितना करेंगे हम लोग, इट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 0.43 2343. Okay, now solve. Del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 3 minus x raised to power 1 by 3. It is equal to the 27 minus 0.43 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 27 raised to power 1 by 3. It is equal to the 26.57 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 3. It means 26.57 raised to power 1 by 3 equal to del y plus 3. Okay. Now find the value of del y. dy over dx into del x. It is equal to the dear 1 by 3 and x raised to power 2 by 3. Okay, this is the differentiation of x raised to power 1 by 3 into del x. It is equal to the 27 raised to power 2 by 3 and del x equal to minus 0.43. It is equal to the minus 0.43 divided by, it is equal to the 9 into 3 27. Now divide 0.43 by 27, we get minus 0.0159. Now value of 26.57 raised to power 1 by 3 equal to 27 minus 0.0159. Here is plus and here is minus. The same number we get it is 3. 3 plus del y means 3 minus this. It is 2.9841. This is the value of cube root of 26.57. The next 13 number is 81.5 raised to power 1 by 4. It is y equal to x raised to power 1 by 4, where let x equal to 81 and del x equal to 81 plus 0.5. Okay, so now del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 4 minus x raised to power 1 by 4. Okay, it is equal to the 81 plus 0.5 raised to power 1 by 4 minus 81 raised to power 1 by 4. It is equal to the 81.5. ये 81.5 raised to power 1 by 4 हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 3. ठीक है, अब इसको हम लोग क्या लिख लेंगे, 81.5 raised to power 1 by 4 equal to 3 plus del y. आगे क्वेश्चन में del y इक्वल टू dy ओवर dx. 1 अपॉन x रेज टू पावर 1 by 4, इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 1 by 4 इंटू x रेज टू पावर 1 by 4 माइनस 1 इज 3 by 4 यानी x रेज टू पावर 3 by 4 इंटू del x. पुट द वैल्यूज 1 अपॉन 4, x इज 81 raised to power 3 by 4 into del x is 0.5. Okay, so it is equal to the 0.5 and solve. It is 3 raised to power 3, 27 into 4, 108. And this, the value of this is equal to, divide 0.5 by 108, we get 0.00462. Okay, now the value of 81.5 raised to power 1 by 4 equal to 3 plus del y. 3 plus del y. It is 3 plus 0.00462. It is 3.00462. Okay. Now 14 number. The next question is 3.968 raised to power 1 by 2. So we can take y equal to x raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, x equal to 4 and del x equal to 0.032. Let. Okay, so now del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 2 minus x raised to power 1 by 2. Not the 1 by 2. The question is in 3 by 2. Sorry. It is equal to 3 by 2. The whole power is 3 by 2. Okay. So now it is equal to 4 minus 0.032 raised to power 3 by 2 minus 4 raised to power 3 by 2. 4 raised to power 3 by 2 it means 2 cancel हो जाएगा. It means 8. It is equal to 8. It means 3.968 raised to power 3 by 2 minus 8. 3.968 raised to power 3 by 2 equal to 8 plus del y. Now find del y. dy over dx into del x. It is equal to the 3 by 2. It means the power reverse 2 by 3 and x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1 it is equal to the 1 by 2. Minus 1 it is equal to 1 by 2. X raised 1 by 2 and del x. Okay. 3 by 2. No. The differentiation of this is 3 by 2 and x raised to power 1 by 2. This is the differentiation, not the 3 by 2. 2 by 3 नहीं होगा, हम उसके माइनस के चक्कर में थे. सीधा 3 by 2 this and to del x. ये हो गया 3 by 2 0.4 square root of 4 x and del x is 0.032. It is equal to the minus. It is equal to the minus. Now 2 से 2 cancel. 3 into minus 0.032. It is equal to the 690. ये बिना कैलकुलेटर के सॉल्व हो जा रहा है. 0.096. Okay. Now the value of 3.968 raised to power 3 by 2 equal to 8 minus 0.096. It is equal to the 7.904. 96 minus करेंगे 1000 से 904. Okay. Now 15th question. The 15th is 32.15 raised to power 1 by 5. It means y equal to x raised to power 1 by 5 and dy over dx of this is equal to the 1 by 5. X raised to power 1 by 5 minus 1 it is 4 by 5. It means x raised to power 4 by 5. Okay. Next, let x equal to 32 and del x equal to 0.15. Okay. So now del y equal to x plus del x raised to power 1 by 5 minus x raised to power 1 by 5. Just put the value 32 plus 0.15 raised to power 1 by 5 minus 32 raised to power 1 by 5. 32.15 raised to power 1 by 5 minus 32 की पावर 1 है, it is 2. Okay. Then 32.15 raised to power 1 by 5 equal to 2 plus del y. Okay. So now del y equal to dy over dx into del x. It is 1 by 5. X means 32 raised to power 4 by 5. It is 2 की पावर 5. 2 raised to power 4 हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. into 0.15. So it is equal to the 0.15 in this 2 raised to power 4 32, 2 raised to power 4 16 5 ja 80. It is equal to 0.15 upon 80. Now divide it, you will get 0.001875. Now the 32.15 raised to power 1 by 5 equal to 2 plus 0.001875. The answer is 2.001875. Question number 1 is complete now. Okay, thank you.